Hello everybody. It's been about 6 weeks since my last video, and a few things have changed, some hasn't. Today is the 11th, according to my Crazy Kittens calendar. So let's have a look. My basil's finally doing something. I know I planted a whole lot more seeds, but that's all I'm getting, it looks like. There's my oregano still going strong. This is my impatiens plant. I had another one, but it died in the frost. And this is the flower pot that I made in my pottery class. Isn't that cute? Yeah, it's my carnivorous plant that died, and some strawberry plants, and I should probably throw all that away. My hangy basket. It was so nice, but I don't know what happened. Maybe I'm supposed to water it or something. I don't know. There's some flowers left. That was some poppies. I think that's what came out. That's my strawberry plants. Still haven't seen any flowers, but it's given runners like crazy. Look at this. And the runners are giving runners, so I've potted a few, and I'll stick them in the wall or something. This one just made another runner. I don't know, hopefully I'll have strawberries next year. It's my miniature roses, my rose cuttings, which hasn't really done much. It's my bee-friendly seeds. Boots again. It's my carrots. They look like they're just about ready to go, I think. I had to move them up here because some asshole was eating the tops of them. Starsky. There's my other hangy basket. Doesn't look all that well either. This is one of 5 butternut squash plants. It's got that one. Looks like it's starting to get ready to flower. It's got a lot of tendrils, but it hasn't caught on to anything yet. There's another one. Yeah. These are my French beans. I couldn't find any bean poles, so I just stuck them on the fence. And you look close. I've got a couple going. So that's good. I've got 3 beans. Well, 4. I'm sure that'll feed us in the winter. My raspberry bush. It looks like it's got caterpillars or something. I've been looking, but I can't find anything. But it's still giving fruit. Not as much as last year, though. There's my rose bush, which hasn't done much. And a really tall poppy. It's almost as tall as I am now. These were poppies, but they all died. I think those are weeds of some sort, I don't know. But that's where my tulips were. This is my sunflower. That's almost as tall as I am now. It's supposed to be a giant sunflower. There's my pansies again. They're not looking all that great. My clematis. It was flowering a few weeks ago. It was really pretty. It's my broccoli, which some asshole keeps eating. And some, caterpillars as well, but, it had a whole lot more leaves. And there's my rosemary. And this is the one I grew from a seed. I was growing spring onions in here, but they somehow all disappeared. I don't know what happened. Still don't know what that is. Some pansies. Starsky ate them. And these are my courgette plants. Been getting a lot of female, no, not, I'm getting a lot of male flowers actually. So they'll open up and then they'll fall off. I think I've got one female flower about to go right there. So hopefully I'll get at least one courgette. There's another butternut squash. There's my corn, which isn't looking very healthy, but it's got a lot of these bugs. And these are all dead though. That's the broken refrigerator we got in our yard. I wanted it to be more like home, so I put a random appliance in the backyard. This is going to be a cherry tomato, which I've got growing upside down from my hangy basket thing. It's got some new growth on it. So we kind of planted it a bit late, so we're going to have to keep growing it inside once it gets a little cold. I think I'll put my strawberries in here. I had some, but they died. Yeah. And there's the little asshole that keeps eating my plants. Alright, so that's about it. So we'll see in about a month how everything looks and compare everything. See y'all later.